Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Radhika and I make content on makeup, beauty, fashion and much more. For that you need to go through my channel. Also, it would mean a lot if you would just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this very easy, very beginner friendly, monsoon, everyday sort of makeup look. Like this makeup is something which you can put on everyday basis and not feel guilty about putting a lot of makeup. Yet, it's super lasting. It's not going to just drip off in water. Like even if you drench yourself in rain, आपका मेकअप ऐसे मेल्ट नहीं हो जाएगा कि सामने वाले को लगेगा शिट यार ये तो बंदा भूत बन गया है. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, this is my bare face. I've done my skincare view, which you must have seen in my previous video. If you haven't, you can go and check it out. Now I'm going to spray some primer water on my face so that the makeup glides really smoothly. After that, I'm just going to fan it down. Now you have two options. Either you can use a foundation or a concealer. What I'm going to do today is use a concealer because that is very lightweight and also just hides your marks and not covers your entire face. So I'm going to apply it all over my under eyes, then wherever I have some marks on bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, something on the forehead also, and then just going to buff it in really nicely. With the help of this brush, I'm going to wet it a little bit with my makeup fixer, dab it on the tissue paper so that excess water is out and also the dirt. Now I'm going to buff it on my chin, under eyes and all the usual areas where we've applied the concealer. Do not forget your neck because your neck is equally important. You don't want to look different on your face and neck. For my brows, I'm going to be using this pencil and this brow mascara. Very little I am going to apply this pencil over my corners of the eyebrows so that there is a fuller look. And then I'm going to grab my eyebrow mascara and just brush my eyebrows really well and fill the gaps whichever it has. See how instantly my eyebrows look so better. Now for my cheeks, I'm going to grab these tints. One is this Benetint by Benefit. This is a watery tint and this is a balm tint by Just Herbs. I'm going to be grabbing my Just Herbs ones today and going to just dab it on my cheeks and merge it really nicely. Also, I'm going to apply some of it on my nose, my eyes, my chin and maybe a little bit on my forehead depending on my mood. With the same tint, I'm going to apply it a little bit on my lips and merge it with my finger. Now I'm going to grab my Swiss Beauty's Real Base Makeup Primer. This is a primer but is also used as a strobing highlight. So I'm going to apply it on my highest points of the cheeks, which are the cheekbones, then merge it in. Little bit on my chin, my cupid's bow, a little on my forehead as well and on the bridge of my nose so that my face looks extremely glowy yet very, subtle so that it's not like over the top highlight. And yeah. Rest of the highlighter I'm going to apply on my neck for that extra dewiness on my neck. Can you see how healthy my skin looks and also not over the top highlight? Now I'm going to apply the mascara. I'm using non-waterproof. You have to use a waterproof one. Just put it really generously on your upper lashes and your lower lashes for that your eyes to look pop open. Then the compact, just dust it very lightly over your face, not too much. Just we are doing this for settling it in under my eyes as well because we've applied concealer there. You can see the difference. Now what I'm going to do is just set everything which I have put, like the tint, I'm going to set it with using a blush so that the blush stays there and it's long lasting as well. Same I'm going to do with the highlighter, applying it on the high points of my cheeks to set the liquid highlighter which we just applied. Finishing my look with this very pretty nude shade by Maybelline. This is my all-time favorite lipstick, Nude Nuance. I'm going to apply it over my lips and then just merge it with using my finger so that it looks natural. See how instantly my face looks so uplifted and nice. You can also grab your tint and apply it on your lips. I'm using Benetint here and then I'm going to spread it using the brush and with my fingers. You can see this thing looks very natural. It looks like you are almost wearing no lipstick. Your natural lips look like this color. And yes, we are done with our makeup and see how dewy my skin looks, healthy, glowy and so nice. I'm just loving it.
This is how I do my everyday monsoon makeup routine. If I'm heading over to a supermarket or mall or market in general and I don't want to put a lot of makeup but still look little presentable, I will do this. I sometimes skip a step here and there. For example, I sometimes just skip onto my mascara and my concealer and rest I follow all the steps maybe, and like it depends on my mood. But if I want to look like really put together, and use a very minimal makeup which is not going to melt in these monsoons, I will do this. So make sure you apply your skincare really well for this product, like all these products to sit in on your face. So that's really important. Also, I will recommend you to, carry maybe a lipstick or a tint with you at all times, and tissue paper. So what you can do is you can just grab a tissue paper and just dab it where you feel it's little oily, or anything which is melting or something. So it's just going to take that extra oil, and yeah, you will be shine free and you will be feeling really fresh. And also, अगर आपको लग रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको लग रहा है कि अगर कोई चीज़ कम लग रही है और आपका फेस डल लग रहा है, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन ग्रैब योर टेंट एंड थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे अप्लाई करा मेकअप के ऊपर ही, ऐसे टिश्यू से डैप करने के बाद, एंड व्हेन यू विल डू दिस, नो, it will instantly just uplift your face. If your makeup is looking dull and you do this, this will instantly just uplift your face, and maybe a little bit on my lips. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did so, then do not forget to comment in the comment section below. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Share this with whoever you feel needs to know how you need to do makeup in monsoons. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.